Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Superday portable washer and dryer, a compact and efficient solution for small spaces like apartments, dorms, RVs, and more. This mini twin tub washing machine boasts a unique water inlet system with metallic silver flakes that generate silver ions for deep cleaning, penetrating various clothing fibers for a thorough wash. With its convenient operation, each tub has separate time controls, offering 5 different washing and spinning times, along with gentle, normal, and drain modes to cater to your laundry needs. The twin tub design allows you to wash and spin dry simultaneously, saving you precious time, and with a total capacity of 21.6 pounds, it can handle light to medium laundry loads effortlessly. Its durable plastic body and gray transparent design let you check your clothes anytime, making it practical for everyday use. Though remember that the spin drying bucket won't completely dry your clothes, so you'll need to air dry them for 1 to 3 hours afterward. Before reaching you, each unit undergoes rigorous water ingress and drainage tests, so if you notice any water stains upon receipt, rest assured it's a normal part of the quality assurance process. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product insights. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.